guys, it's Ellie.
And Andrew, I'm here too.
And today we're going to be making...
I'm here too. Balloon slime.
And I'm going to start off. And I'm going to start off with the glue.
It's in balloon.
Obviously. And then he's going to do the color. So first, let me take the sharp scissors. Oh, and remember, ask a parent or guardian before, if you can, before you do this.
Slovenia. Slovenia. I said my sister is weird. Well, yeah. If you don't know that.
And so I keep doing this. Andrew, go get a spoon. Andrew, go get a spoon. Oh, and Andrew. It's on the counter. The spoon I grabbed. It's on the counter. So we've got our glue. Now I'm just waiting for him to get back so he can add in color. I did yellow. I think it will look nice, and I get to keep the slime anyway, so yeah. And we're going to be adding the yellow. So okay, now he is back. Spoon. Now, before he adds the color, I'm going to let him sing the ABCs backwards. No, I meant the ABCs, to sing the ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time I won't use it with me.
Okay, now, do you want me to cut it first, or cut it and then you spray it so you don't cut it? Okay, just let me get the rest of this glue out.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P.
You weird. Okay, so
I said H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P.
here's the scissors. So be careful. Only cut a tiny hole so you can... No. Andrew, cut it over the bowl. No, don't do it like that. If you're going to do it like that, hold it upside down.
Why?
So then the balloon doesn't drop.
Stop.
Do it and then I can just... Go. Open. Open. So that's one way to do it.
Well, I want to stir mine up.
I'm going to stir it this first time. Actually, I guess you can do it. Go ahead.
Because I put it in. See, you have to stir it or whatever. Glue. Whoa.
Like it?
It looks like a pumpkin.
So this is what it looks like.
It looks like a pumpkin.
It looks like yellow on the screen, which I did use yellow food coloring, but I did a lot, so it's more of an orange color.
To what? So but it looks yellow on the...
Now I'm going to be adding the foam. I know, I switched it and gave you the color instead. So, well, there's the foam.
But there's some right here. There.
That solves that problem.
Is the butter.
Then I'll mix in the foam. And now,
What is this?
Andrew's going to put in the lotion.
What is this?
Mhm.
But I had borax also, right? I have borax.
In a minute. Okay, so I'm going to cut it and then put it over. Here, hold it.
I want to cut it.
I know, but so I can help. You could squeeze.
I don't even know what this is. Now I'm gonna stir it.
Yep. And then when you do the borax, I'm gonna stir it because you got to. Because you're gonna do two things in a row. Okay, so now that that's all mixed in, here, let me get the rest off the spoon.
Now I'm cutting the borax. I want to cut the
Okay, but I can mix the borax.
I know. So she's gonna mix
Don't-
the borax.
I only
but I'm
want you to
gonna
cut
it.
a tiny, like, I'm gonna hold it like this, so 'cause
No.
I want to squeeze.
I want to cut it.
I know you're gonna cut it. I'm just gonna hold it so you can only cut a tiny bit.
Why is it all wet?
Because it's borax.
I don't know what borax is.
Andrew, don't play with scissors like that, okay?
He wasn't. He's using them. Stop. Put them down. So this is how it's turning out. And
It looks weird.
it's supposed to.
And guys, never play with scissors. It's bad. You can cut your eye out or your hand. I don't know. I don't know which one, but you can get both of them. I don't know which one. Like
Okay.
someone hit, but, no. So never do this at someone or do this at your face.
Right, so that's an example of what not to do. This is an example of what to do. If you're holding scissors, hold them like this, not like this.
Because if you're holding it like this, your hand can go whop and hit your eye.
To the store real quick again.
Just a moment. Man, I want to come.
What, baby?
I'm going.
Well, that's not working very well.
I gotta go.
I have to.
I want to.
Why?
So guys, I'm.
I'm gonna finish off the video.
Oh yeah. Bye bye. I'm leaving. Bye. Mama, can I go with you?
I don't think this is gonna turn out a very good color. So,
Lemon side?
What?
Alright, Ellie, you coming too then?
sure, just let me finish this video. I'm
We gotta
almost done.
go. No, we gotta go now.
Why?
Because the place is gonna close at 5.
What time is it now?
Wait, where are you going?
Babe,
where
it's
are
still
you
closed
going?
at the same time, so it don't matter.
Where are you
In
going?
ADC warehouse, you can get, you know,
Mom, where are you going?
because they go through making sure anyway.
I don't
Put
want
it
to
in.
go if it's like Best Buy or
It
something.
is.
Really? You're going to Best Buy?
Well, it's like a Best Buy.
Man, I'm not going then. Sissy, are you
guys
gonna
gotta come
go?
in. Hurry up, Ellie.
What?
Come inside.
Are you gonna go?
Okay, let me just mix in this glitter. No.
I'm not leaving. Never mind. I'm back. Yeah.
Okay,
Eliana.
I'm almost done.
Why'd she get to do the glitter?
Because I got the glitter. It's my
Glitter. Glitter, glitter.
My glitter.
Pick your mama, show me. Never say that. What is that? That's still the borax? There's still more borax?
Of course.
This video is
So
not
actually,
weird.
I'm
Yes,
going to give
it is.
Andrew this slime, and then he can just start his collection.
I don't like
Stay outside
slime.
for a few minutes, but as soon as you're done with that, you gotta go in and lock the door, okay?
Yes. Love you, Dad.
I don't like slime, so I just did this for no reason.
Well, so Andrew is actually gonna keep the slime. So,
Ellie,
cause
he was asking you if you like the movie.
oh yeah. So, yeah,
Your
he's
butt.
gonna keep the slime, and once we have a lot of slime, we're both gonna mix them into a slime smoothie.
And I'm not drinking that, so no.
You don't have to drink the slime smoothie.
Nope.
It makes a one big slime you can play with.
Oh, and if you didn't see we did a smoothie challenge.
Yes, so make sure you watch that because
Mine was gross.
mine was amazing.
It was
Afterwards, he drank
like
the
I
rest
thought
of
it.
mine.
I thought it was.
Go
it tastes-
inside and grab me a
It
plastic bag,
first
please.
tastes like a chocolate milkshake, but then I got the pickle juice because this put way too much in it, and I'm just like,
Andrew, go
That's
grab yourself a
good,
plastic bag, and then I'm
Yeah.
gonna fix this later so it
Yeah.
works a little better.
blech,
What did I say, please?
blech. I don't know what you said.
Go inside and grab a plastic bag with
Okay,
a
let's-
Ziploc.
I don't want the slime.
Well, you're gonna keep it, whether you like it or not.
I hate it. I hate slime. Guys, that you don't know, I hate slime. It's gross and it feels weird.
It is not gross. It's amazing.
Why?
You're not gonna use it. I'll take it after we make a slime smoothie.
Oh, and guys, if you don't know my channel,
It's Andrew
and
and
the
the.
FNAF plushies. And my friend has if you don't know what, his YouTube channel is Draven and the FNAF plushies. So basically, yeah.
I thought it was Draven and the gang.
No, Draven and the FNAF plushies.
Okay, so guys, so go check that out.
Oh, and I have, I think,
Andrew, go.
so
Go.
I didn't get to
This is a very gross slime. I'm going to be making slime
So
later
guys, let me-
today with this glue. It's a glue that I've seen always works except for today because of complications.
So guys,
I need my brother to go inside and grab a plastic bag.
So guys, I was gonna make a video about
So
unboxing,
this is
but I couldn't upload it. So I'll upload that someday of this month. December.
and if you haven't seen it, make sure to check out
Andrew and the FNAF plushies.
that, and if you haven't seen it, make sure to check out my unboxing video of Cameron Coyle, and then Andrew will be putting on his unboxing video of whatever he was unboxing on this channel sometime
My
later
channel.
December. No, our channel.
My channel.
Our channel.
My channel.
I'm the one who agreed to let you do it.
But it's my channel.
Okay, so
I'm gonna put it on our channel and my channel.
we'll catch you guys later. Bye.
Wait. And it's gonna be uploaded on December 23.
So 2 days before Christmas.
Yeah.
He's gonna upload 2 days before Christmas, and we're gonna vlog on Christmas Day. So I'll see you guys. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye. Hey,
Look at
stop
Andrew.
putting your hand in your butt.
Andrew.
Yeah,
Look at-
never say that, dirty girl.